private aviation catering specialist Air Culinaire has made many improvements to its locations over the past 2 years. Among them, the opening of its new flagship kitchen near New Jersey's Teterboro Airport. The Universal Weather and Aviation subsidiary recently moved from South Hackensack into a renovated warehouse just a few blocks from the bustling New York City area private aviation gateway. In addition to a closer proximity to the airport, the new facility is also much larger, with abundant space for the refrigeration rooms and hot and cold food preparation lines.
This facility is 17,000 square feet versus our old facility that was only about 4,000 square feet. I always like to tell people that the old facility actually fit in the loading dock of this new facility. That's how much bigger our new facility is now.
Each day, the facility prepares hundreds of meals for aircraft taking off from more than a dozen area airports through the northern New Jersey, New York City area, and out as far as eastern Long Island. For the more distant airports, the refrigerated delivery vans, fitted with GPS tracking, leave in the early morning to catch the morning departures. But for places like Newark or Teterboro, catering orders are delivered throughout the day. During the early days of the COVID pandemic, while private aviation was suppressed, the company pivoted to increase its catering for cargo flights, which has become a large portion of its revenue growth. The new Teterboro kitchen has a designated area for preparing as many as 75 meals a day for air delivery companies, in addition to its normal business aviation activity. All orders are thoroughly inventoried and even photographed to provide a record for customers, even before they leave the facility.
So majority of the orders that we receive, we get them from our guest services team that gets the orders from clients via email, B2B, or they'll receive them through Flybridge in our Tampa office. But we actually like to have a personal touch with our clients, and we are open to having them call us directly here in the facility, as well as placing the orders directly with us. And it's something that's very important to us. It doesn't matter how large we are or how large we get eventually. We want to make sure that we keep that small boutique style touch with the clients, where we are able to have them reach out to us.
Air Culinaire offers full menus, but Teterboro executive chef Salvador Lano views them merely as suggestions and invites customers to make specific requests. He noted that as his kitchen caters to a multicultural clientele in the New York area, it often fields orders for international dishes. While the company will provide the most exotic meals desired, requests for more pedestrian items, such as hot dogs and pizza, are common. And though the company has made its brand preparing delicious in-flight catering, that's not all it does.
We provide full concierge services, and it's something that a lot of people are surprised about. We don't only do food, we actually provide any service that anybody might ask. I always like to tell people that if it's legal, we'll definitely do it. And we'll get any request you can imagine, from purchasing 20 cell phones to putting a bale of hay in an aircraft. And in Christmas time, we've even actually done a full Christmas tree with gifts and a full setup for a client inside the aircraft.
From portable holiday displays to portable sushi, Air Culinaire's Teterboro kitchen, now the largest among the company's 21 U.S. locations, is staffed 24/7 to serve its traveling customers. For AIN, I'm Kurt Epstein.